Hi guys, just wanted to produce that buzzing sound that comes from my throttle body. That's with the key in the on position. I've isolated the loudest part of that buzzing noise coming from the top of my transmission down below the battery, under those hoses where that label is with the barcode. When I use a stethoscope, making contact with the top of the transmission and the side right there, it is the loudest, but can also be heard throughout the engine slightly, but you can still hear it through wire connections, air lines, fuel lines, but it is the loudest when making contact with the top of the tranny. Alright, and I've noticed that when you disconnect that throttle position sensor, nothing. Plug it back in. And the same thing occurs when I remove the EEC relay for that. So, just let me know if y'all have any ideas of what you might think, which would be the best path to get on and figure out what direction to take. Thank you. I appreciate everything.